Guess what? It's ramp season again. It's April here in Michigan, and this is when our ramps come up. And if you've never had ramps, you're missing a treat. Now, they're kind of a flavor between onion and garlic, and you may be able to get them at a farmer's market, but usually they're not available in the stores. The way I get it is I go out to the woods and dig them. But I'm careful, I only dig up so much because I want that plant to flourish and be there for years and years to come. You know, those of us that have a special ramp patch in the woods protect it just the way I protect my morel patch in the woods. It's a secret, we don't give it out to anybody because we want to make sure that we're able to have that foraging goodness. Today I just wanted to share with you a very, very simple ramp recipe. It's really quick to make and it's delicious. Be sure to wash and clean your ramps really well. Now you can prepare your ramps while it's happening. You want to cut off that and do that with each one. And we're going to make sure they're really clean. Be back when I'm ready. Now I'm melting about a tablespoon of butter. Put in our ramps, just the bulbs. And I might add more butter. We'll see how this goes. We're going to cook it like this for about 10 minutes. I'll be back. So we're still cooking here, but you can hear it sizzle, right? Now, I'm making just a very small portion because this is just for my husband and I as a little side dish. It goes great with pork, by the way. Okay, we've got it nice and brown. Now we're going to add just half a tablespoon of brown sugar. Get it all nice and bubbly. Mix it in. Mix it around for a minute or two. And I always keep stirring in this part because, you know, with the brown sugar it can easily burn. Okay. Just a spray of some balsamic vinegar. Oh, listen to that, huh? Then we're going to add some pepper, some salt. For some reason, I think I had the heat a little too high on my cast iron pan, and they got a little blackened, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Here we have them, dished up. Let's do a little taste test. Still pretty hot. Nice and crunchy. Rampilicious. Boy, these are really good. They're crunchy on the outside, and then the inside has a soft, oniony, garlic flavor. It just is so good. Would have been even better if I wouldn't have gotten them quite so blackened, but my husband and I enjoyed them nevertheless. And the ramps are still a little on the immature stage yet, so next week I'll be gathering some more and I'll be back with another ramp recipe. As always, please share the knowledge. Thank you.